Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Last video I showed you how to build this. It's a fighter jet with oil. It's a pretty good working one, but that's not what we're doing today. Today we are building some. I forgot what's the model code, but you'll see at the end. Wait for the end because this build is actually insane. Wait, placed the wrong area. And where's the wedge? I don't really know how to build the front, but okay, and I need to place a main pilot seat, yep, and after that I need to place a 1x2. The bottom it can just be blocks. The side just get wedges, 1x3s, and yeah. But yeah, guys, let's go. Just twist and just place it like that. But yeah. And then 1x3 wedge, twist. Did I click on wedge or wedge 2? Wedge, yeah, I clicked on wedge. I just gotta double check so I don't look like an idiot. So this is going to be the basic body shape of the plane. Oh wait, no, that's not supposed to be like that. Same for this. That. 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 Oh wait, no. And there. If you guys don't know what I'm doing, it will make sense at the end. I did not mean to get in that. Dang, I really have to work on the body. Wait, no, I did a mistake. I forgot about the back wing. If you guys don't know, this is the first time I'm designing this. So I'm kind of just thinking about it as I'm building. So I might just stay very silent. Guys, also, if I stay very silent in like a video, it's just basically me focusing a lot on whatever I'm doing. Let's just close that off. I need wedges. Did not mean to place a wedge there. twist it twice, place it like that. And wedge. Wedge and yeah, and I placed that the other way around. Viewing plate. Alright, now the normal wing plate, one by one. Now I need the half block. That and there. Place one like that. Wing plate. Like that. And I'm gonna place the control surface directly on the blocks. And the motor, a motor. Where is the motor? Where are the motors? Oh, right here. And then like that. Place a block there. Place a block here. And is propellers. Down propeller. On there. And on there. Who's this bacon? And now, first off, okay, so I just might check. Oh wait, no, I forgot to adjust the things. I'll just go back. I forgot to adjust. I'm gonna adjust this one. I just have to reverse the controls. So yeah, that should be it. F is for up. So we put F above, R below, W is for forward, S is to slow down. So this is plane mode. I guess you need to be pointing a bit more up. And these are voyeur mode. As you guys know, I'm designing it as I'm doing it, so I'm gonna have to fix that. So how should I fix that? First I need to fix that, and then I need to grab the propeller. Put it like that. I'll just keep that open for the moment, so if I need to change it, I can. Let's see, on flight mode. if I put, wait, okay, can't. I guess I'll lift it up a bit. Okay, so how much? So a bit diagonal. That should be on flight mode 6. Okay, so how about a bit more higher? A bit lower. Oh, no, I'm pressing W. So lift up. Lower, lower, lower down, lift up. Okay, so what I want is for it to be like that. Okay, too much front lift. I was gonna say, how is there not too much front lift? So, plus this propeller's kind of just floating there. Propellers. Three propellers should be able to overpower these 4 ones at the back. I mean, I don't mean 4. I mean like these 2 at the front. Let's double that, 6. Not enough power. Can I reduce power on the front? Oh wait, I can make the front heavier. How do I do that? Oh wait, no, I think I know. They're way too off, I think. I think that's the problem. So, I have to make the center of lift go closer to the front. If I just slap a wing plate here. How about 3 wing plates there? That is pretty close to the center. So does that mean I can fly now? Or no? If I change the thing. If I completely put it up. Okay. It's kind of working. Kind of. I can remove a little bit of power from the back. How about 1? If I remove 1. Since it wasn't overpowering that much. A bit more weight to the back. A bit more weight to the back and the thing will be ready. Oh, can't I just move like that? Oh yeah, I can. First I can turn like this. But I need to fix the front one, but the front is still like that. So if I add the cover, and yeah, it's fully controllable. Yeah. And once I rotate it all the way to the front, does it work like a plane? Oh wait, no, like that. Pull up. Wait. But I could turn it into but I could give it the plane feature, and I could put a bit more weight on the back by using super rocket engines. And then change it to, I guess I'll just go with V and Y. V and Y. My friend joined, so I'm just gonna say hi. Lift up W E. Yeah, with walking, it can kind of like. It can switch between that, but yeah. And also, guys, so yeah, I would call this. So I'll call this video a success. But yeah. And also, guys, if you have enjoyed this video or also found this tutorial useful, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another upload. And